Hi there. In this module, you will see how to fully map your lookup list columns to the correct fields in your form. This lookup list contains a list of vehicles with the following columns: vehicle, make, model, vehicle identification number. By mapping the fields from the lookup list, the form can work as follows. A user selects the vehicle from a drop-down menu. The form auto-populates the make, model, and VIN fields based on the selected vehicle. This reduces manual data entry and ensures that the information is accurate and consistent. Mapping fields, when using a data table in FastField, is important because it ensures the data collected in your form is structured, organized, and usable for downstream processes like reporting, data exports, or integrations. To map your lookup list data to your fields, click on the lookup list field titled Vehicle. Select Lookup Mappings from Advanced Options and set up Lookup Mapping. Name your new lookup mapping, type Vehicle Information, and click OK. Next, you will be asked to choose the lookup type. Click the Lookup Data File option. Click the Lookup Data dropdown, and from the options listed, select Vehicle Information. A field name text box will appear. Click the dropdown and select Vehicle. This field name matches the name of the lookup field we created in the form builder. A new section display will appear. Click the field name dropdown and select the next field on your form, which is the make. Select the next field on your form from dropdown, which is the model. Then select the third field, the vehicle inspection number. Once you have added your 3 field and column names, pause and take a minute to double-check your field mapping is correct and click Save.